to a Map Business Online video presentation. We're going to talk about driving distance queries for this video. We all are familiar with our drive time polygon. It's available in various points. And if I close this, if I go back up here and drop down drive time right there, and if I look at our draw tools, drive time right there. So you can see it in our search tools. And then you can also see it if I put a point on the map, and you can see I put in 1000 Main Street, St. Louis, Kentucky up here. I clicked my binoculars, that dropped a point on the map, and it created a little toolbar right underneath my point. I call it a mini toolbar. And right there is, again, that drive time distance polygon button. I click that button, and it asks me what is the time I would like to enter in minutes that would enable a drive time analysis, and would show me a polygon in all directions of the time it takes. But on this video, I'm more interested in the distance along the road network. So let's imagine that I want to know what is the drive distance query along the road network from a central point, mainly this point right here, out 25 miles along the road network. So I'm going to click Add to the Map. It's thinking. It's deciding each individual road. What's that going to look like? I've got a polygon on the map now, which we're going to pull back and see, and I can change like the thickness, and I can change the order. I can show a little text if I want to, but I'm just going to pull back my scroll bar until we see what that polygon looks like. And there it is. So let's click this shut and click outside of the polygon. So along the road network, 25 miles out in all directions, that's what the polygon looks like. So from 1000 Main Street, I could have driven up onto the highway and driven out this way and taken this path all the way out to my 25-mile point, which would have been right there. And so that gives you a sense in all directions of what 25 miles is along the road network. And you can see it had to take into consideration the river and bridges, all sorts of stuff. And I haven't even really captured the whole thing yet, so let's go back a little bit further. There it is. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial.